At Jones-Stevens, we're proud to deliver a PEX plumbing system built around what installers value most: a complete offering, reliable performance, and quality they can trust. Our comprehensive offering includes PEX-A and PEX-B pipe, expansion and crimp fittings, and the accessories needed for consistent and dependable installation. PEX-A and PEX-B are available in coils and straight lengths up to 2 inches in diameter, and in red, white, and blue. A full range of brass and poly fittings rounds out our robust offering and deliver flexibility, durability, and a solution designed for even the most complex of projects. We know success begins behind the wall, which is why our PEX is manufactured to meet or exceed the highest industry standards. Rigorous independent testing, along with a 25-year system warranty, provides long-term peace of mind. Contractors also rely on Jones-Stevens for PEX-adjacent products like manifolds, bends, valves, and more. And with one of the industry's largest in-stock inventories, we pick, pack, and ship quickly. Jones-Stevens PEX. Reliable, proven, and ready for your next project.